name is David Gikongo, currently serving as a director, Kenya Meteorological Services, or if you like, Kenya Meteorological Department. We are here today to launch a course that is very, very important in our profession. Our profession involves observation of weather elements, if you like, the atmosphere. And we are improving with time as technology grows. Even here, technology continues to advance. And for a long time, we have been using satellites to help observe weather elements and gather that information so that that information is useful in forecasting. At that level of satellites, we've also been evolving. We've been using what we have referred to as level 1. Then we came to level 2, which we were calling second generation. Today, we are using the meteorological third generation. And the use of satellite information is what brings us here. And that is why we are talking about something called PUMA, preparation for meteorological satellite data for Africa. That is why we are using that short-term PUMA. That's basically what we are doing. We are preparing ourselves so that we can use that data that we gather through satellites all over Africa. Africa and in Kenya, we are doing the training in Kenya. We have invited quite a number of countries. When they were introducing themselves, you must have noted that there are quite a number from all over Africa. They will go through this training that takes about 3 weeks. And after that, they will go and make the best of that knowledge in their own countries, train others from various countries. So representation at this level is not very critical, but the next level where the trainers themselves go and train others, that is where now we will ensure that everybody gets this level of training. Okay.
We have 2 systems or stations. The PUMA upgrade, we are calling it upgrade because it has been upgraded many times. There was upgrade 2015, now we are saying upgrade 2025. And also the other one is climate station. Climate station is also upgrade of what we used to call environmental station. When there was this project monitoring for environmental security in Africa, there was the environmental station. It was not very good for climate information because it was tuned more for environmental observation data. So the CLIMSTER station is upgrade of that so that in addition of environmental monitoring, we can also have the climate information. So what we are launching today is training of trainers. These trainers are expected to train others. Overall, we need to train around 200 experts in Africa. You see, this is a small number, but they need to train others. So the climate station will make the work of meteorologists easy, because there is within it you have customized for the data management. There is open source data management system we call here ClimSoft is compatible with this climate station. There is also WMO Climate Services Toolkit, which is also integrated in this climate station. So it will be a very powerful tool for the climate scientists to generate the climate products required for our region. And going to the rainfall now, because for the region we do monitoring for the whole region, and also prediction in 3 monthly basis. We have seen that the onset of the rainfall, especially to the eastern half of the region, is late, the onset of the rainfall. The western part, I think there is good rainfall. But what we are seeing is that in the eastern part, including obviously the eastern Kenya, there is a delayed onset and a poor rainfall. Because if rainfall is coming in November, when it should have come by mid-October, we can say that is late. However, for agriculture, what is more important is distribution. If you get the growing season correct, you can get little rainfall and then get something. But anyway, when it's late, we also assume maybe the growing season will be short.